Hey, welcome back, besties. It's day one and we're doing a full tour of Everfit, so you know where everything lives and you feel comfortable navigating the app. I promise it's pretty intuitive once you walk through it. So the Today tab. When you first open the app, you're going to land on the Today page. This is your command center. You've got your to-do list right there, which is going to show you everything that needs your attention for that day. Tasks, habits, anything your coach has assigned. You'll also see your step tracker here so you can keep an eye on your daily movement, your nutrition goals, and your food journal. We'll talk more about food logging on the nutrition day, but just know that it lives here when you need it. Next up is your coaching tab. This is where you can view all your past and future tasks and workouts so you can plan your week accordingly. You've got your training calendar in here, which shows you everything your coach has scheduled for you. You can actually rearrange your workouts to different days directly in the app. So if your coach programs leg day on a Tuesday, but Tuesday's kind of a nightmare for you, you can actually just move it. We love flexibility around here. You'll also find your tasks in here. This is where your forms, PDFs, and anything else your coach assigns you will live. And your habits, which will eventually become your norm. Things like drinking water, getting in movement, your daily joy practice. Your coach will set all these things up for you, so don't worry about that just yet. Food journal. Your food journal is basically like a private food Instagram just for you. You can upload photos of your meals directly in here and your coach can see them. Super easy, zero pressure. More again on this tomorrow. Inbox. You've also got your inbox, and this is super important. This is how you communicate directly with your coach inside the app. If you have questions, updates, anything you need to share, please use this instead of DMs on other platforms so nothing gets lost. Resource library. Your resource library is stacked with amazing information. We have recipes, activities, and educational information on here. You'll also find workout collections that you can add on to your existing programs. Warm-ups, cardio, even body weight stuff, and travel workouts for when you're on the go and can't fit in your assigned workouts. Feel free to explore. There's a lot of good stuff on here. You. The last tab is the You tab. This is your personal hub and it's got everything in one place. From here, you can see a summary of your training progress, total time spent working out, body metrics, exercise history, and progress photos. Tap View More in the metrics section to log things like your weight, body measurements, and more. You can also add and view your progress photos from here as you continue to track your journey. Anytime you want to log something about yourself and don't see this task for that day, you can do this over here. Before I let you go, let's just make sure that your steps are syncing. Head to your profile settings in the top right corner of the You tab. From there, you can sync Everfit with your Apple Health or Google Fit, so your steps and health data automatically track in the app. I'll attach a PDF to help you troubleshoot if you run into any issues. This should take about 30 seconds and means your coach can see your daily movements without you having to log anything manually. So that's your Everfit tour. Honestly, the best way to get comfortable is to click around and explore. With time, it will get easier. Now, here's what I want you to do today. You'll be assigned 2 forms, the Part Q and your intake form, Part 1. Please take time with these, especially your intake form. The more deets, the better, so we can custom tailor your program to you. These forms are genuinely how we get to know you better before the onboarding call, so don't rush them. I've also dropped a PDF in your task called Tools for Success. Go ahead and give that a read when you get a chance. It's got everything that'll be helpful for you to have on this journey. See you tomorrow.